What is an overdraft and how does protection work in the U.S.? Imagine you're at the grocery store and swipe your debit card, but your checking account doesn't have enough money to cover the purchase. What happens next? That's where overdraft and overdraft protection come into play. An overdraft occurs when you spend more money than you have in your checking account, making your balance go below zero. This can happen if you forget to check your balance or if automatic payments come out when funds are low. When this happens, your bank might decline the transaction, or it might approve it and charge you a fee. Overdraft protection is a service banks offer to help avoid declined transactions. It can cover your shortfall by transferring money from another account or extending a small loan. To use this service, you usually need to choose whether to enroll or opt out. If you opt in, the bank may pay for transactions that go over your balance but will charge a fee for each overdraft. If you opt out, the bank will decline transactions that would cause an overdraft, so you avoid fees but might face inconvenience if your payment gets declined. Banks often link your checking account to another account like a savings account, a credit card, or a line of credit. When you overdraft, funds are transferred automatically from the linked account to cover the shortfall. For example, if you have a savings account linked, the bank might transfer the needed amount from savings to checking. This transfer usually costs less than a standard overdraft fee. Overdraft protection usually involves fees, which can be around $35 to $36 per overdraft. Some banks waive fees if the overdraft amount is small or if your negative balance is under a certain dollar amount. The amount they cover is limited, often to a few $100s, and if they extend credit, you will need to repay it within a certain time frame. It's important to remember that banks have discretion to approve or decline overdraft transactions, even if you have protection. Not all transactions are guaranteed to be covered. Overdraft protection can help with automatic payments, debit card purchases, checks, and ATM withdrawals, but policies vary by bank. For immigrants managing finances in the United States, understanding overdraft and protection options is key. Monitoring your account balance regularly helps prevent accidental overdrafts. Linking a savings account for protection can save money on fees. If you prefer to avoid fees altogether, you can opt out of overdraft protection for debit card and ATM transactions, but then those transactions might be declined. Building a small emergency fund can also help you avoid overdrafts altogether. Always read your bank's account agreement or ask a bank representative about specific overdraft policies and fees. This way, you can make informed decisions that keep your finances stable while navigating the U.S. banking system. Remember, overdraft is spending beyond your available funds, and overdraft protection is a service that helps cover those shortfalls, usually for a fee. Managing this carefully can help you stay on top of your money and avoid unexpected charges.